Hello my dear crafters, today I want to help you display your products. Many of you ask me for pictures of display, what do I use to display it on my table, in my booth, during craft fairs. And today I want to invite you to look around your house because some of these products that I'm going to show you today that I use, and they really make my products pop. Some of them, maybe you even have it around your house. Actually, I'll give you an example right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you most of the display things that I use and give you ideas on which products you should use them with, okay? So this one here, my sister just gave me this. This is a nail polish holder. So she gave me these because she had 2 or 3 and she was getting rid of her nail polish. And I said, you know, crafter mind, right? I thought of this as a great display for the lip balm holders, lip balm boxes that we make. So let me show you. You can turn something like this into this. And there you go. We have these boxes that this is a tutorial on my channel. Go to my playlist, Craft Fair Ideas and Tutorials. So we have this little box with the lip balm that we sell in our craft fairs. And you can use this. And what I love about this thing here is, I'm just going to throw that away, is that it goes up like this. It's not flat. So you can actually stack it and it looks really, really nice. So it's good for that box that that I've taught you how to make. I've taught you how to make this box. So you put the taller ones in front. This one is a little taller than this one, and it looks amazing, and it just makes all your things pop. So that's one example for you. Let me see if there is anything here. No. Yeah, so these are great for the little things in the little boxes that go up like that. So let me move on and show you something else. And please guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I really want to reach 30,000 this year, and it depends on you. It's quick, it's just one click, and it's free, and it really helps me. Thank you so much. So here's something else that you might even have around. This is actually a plate holder. You put your plates here like this. And I'll have the link to all of these that I'm showing because you can find it all on Amazon, okay? So I was looking at this the other day, same thing, and said, wow, that's great for, you know what? Notebooks. Notebooks are the hardest thing to place on your table. Sometimes I just place it flat like this and make like a round like this. But like a semicircle, it really makes it pop if you use this, because here's what you do. You place them like this. Place the taller ones in the back and just look how cool that is. I use this all the time now. It's hard to show here, but let me show sideways. See, it's a great problem solver if you don't know how to display your medium-sized and large notebooks. This is a great way to do that. So anything that you have that is, this has this shape. So I have my prayer books. I have the other idea is the recipe holders that I make. Look at all the stuff that I make that kind of shaped like this. You can always use it to hold it. And it's really, really nice. It looks nice. It makes it pop, and it gives some dimension to your table so that you don't have everything flat like that. Okay, so that's a second idea. Let's move on. Here is one of my favorite display, I don't know what you call this, display tables, display something. This has 3 layers and they're different heights. So again, it makes things pop. I've used this over the years for many, many different things. So for example, you all know these tea bags here, they are perfect for that. You can put them like this. My little lip balm, I usually fill it up with these little lip balm holders. This is my online class and it's a bestseller. So I just put them like this. I place the little bags like this. And it's hard to show because it's gonna fall, isn't it? But anyway, a little bit. So it makes everything pop. And you can even mix and match, put lip balm holders here. Your little, if you make little boxes, you can place them here too. They will look very, very cute. These, you have seen me make these. These are great for this holder too, because you can put a whole bunch of them and look how nice it looks. See? Let me just hold it here so that you can see. So everything that you put here will pop. It's an amazing, amazing thing that you can buy. I'll have the link to all of these because you can find them on Amazon. So yeah, the sky here is the limit. This is one that I use every year, and depending on my products, I change what I put on it. But this is a must. It's something that you can use for many, many different products. Here is another one that is layered as well. I'm going to just pull it down like this so that you can see how it stays on the table. So it's 3 heights again, very, very much like the other one, but I really love the shape of this one. It's a half a circle. So you can move it around. The way I use it is like this. I just put it together like that. But you can move it. I like the other one, everything's together. This one you can move around, so you can use it like this around your table. You don't have to stack it like that, but you can. The way I use this, I just bought this. This light here is not helping, is it? I'm gonna move it a little bit. There you go. A little more. That's why we don't see it. There you go. Yeah, so you can use it like this. You can move it around your table differently, but it fits, again, all those little things that stand up that you need. So for example, this is not as high as this, so this will go here and this will go on the top. It really is nice, and it fits a whole bunch of things. If you have this here, the way I use it was, and I'll show you here on the screen, I just filled it up with these little boxes here with my lip balm boxes. So I filled it up here, and then I put a different one here and a different one here. But again, you can use it together, stack it, even for things that lay like this. I used this here at the end like that. I had the ones standing up, and the ones that didn't stand up, I like this one. Oh no, that one stands up. But anyway, I sold out on this one. I only have one left. So, but I just placed it like that at the end. So very nice, 3 very good heights. So depending on what you're selling, see, I'm just gonna pretend that the table is here. So you have 3 different heights, but they're movable. That's what I like about it. You don't have to use them together. So moving on. Now continuing with the idea of having different heights, I love this product. It comes stacked like this, but here's what you do. You separate them in each one of these little, I would say, tables. I don't know. They're different heights. Let me put them together so that you see. And then you can use them around your table. You don't stack them, you just use them around your table. Just place it around your table with different products, because sometimes you don't have enough of products to fill up this one, so you can use this one, and because it's a little bit smaller. So I just stack them around my table like this, and I use it for different products wherever I need it. So this is really nice, and all these things that I'm showing you guys are very inexpensive. And once you buy them, you use them every single year. So this one, I have 2 sets of these because I really believe that it makes a difference to not have everything flat and have different levels and heights on your table. So this is something that I just place around depending on what the product is and how many of that single item I have. And it's good because it's separated and you can just use it around. So okay, one more. I believe I have one more for you. Oh, I have one more, and I have one Dollar Tree idea for you guys. I'll be back. And if you don't want to use the plastic, the transparent ones, I like the transparent ones because they make whatever color you have pop, but I really like the wooden ones too. It depends on the look that you have. This is a product, I have 2 of these, so I'll show you quickly how easy this is to put together. It comes like this, and you just pick up this one. You're just going to press this in like that, and the other one, same thing, and there you go. There you can see what it's going to look like. So that's one level, and then you just keep pressing the other ones down. Second level and third one, and there you have it. You have another one of those 3-layered ones. Very, very nice. I just love it because I really like the look of wood. And again, you're going to put your items here depending on what you have. So now I'm going to show you an idea that walking around the Dollar Tree, I had the idea, didn't make it, but I'll give you the idea that I have so you can make it at home. So looking around the Dollar Tree, they always have this. It's like, kind of looks like a house. They have these blocks of wood, and they usually have these too. So here's the idea that I have, very cheap for you to make, guys. I would use a beautiful paper here on the outside and the inside too, if you want, that's up to you, or use acrylic paint. And here is a great display thing for you. You put these two together like this. I think this is better for you to see. You're going to glue one of these at the bottom like this. Either glue or you can nail it, and then you cover it with paper, okay? Make sure to use your beautiful papers, and use another one here or here, wherever you want. It depends on how high your items are. So there you go. You're going to have a beautiful display thing. How cool is that? So that's an idea from the Dollar Tree. I have another one that I'll show you. Just look for these boards that look like houses. These ones too. It doesn't matter if it's exactly this one. It can be longer. They have longer ones. They have shorter ones. It depends on how big. Because you would just make it larger or not. Okay, wider or not. So paint it the color you want. Cover it with paper, very easy. Just put this on the paper, trace it and cut, and you glue it. And you can make a beautiful, colorful, if you want, display thing for your items. How great is that? So that's an idea that I had. I was going to make a video of it and I didn't have time. But I thought I would share it with you. And also, guys, the Dollar Tree has these beautiful, very cute trays, wooden trays. Color them. Use beautiful paper here to color the sides with acrylic paint, and use it as a beautiful place for your displays as well. You can put the little things. Look, you can actually fit a whole bunch of these. These are little, but not that little. So I'm just gonna put it here, so just so you see. You can use, just to have it on the side and showing your product. So it does fit this, and it fits so many different things. They're little, but still you can have these all around your table. So guys, I hope I helped you. I know that display is a big question mark for us. I struggle every year. I look for different ways to display my products. One tip that I have for you that really helps is when you're in doubt, or even if you're sure that you like the way your table is, take a picture of it and look at the picture. You wouldn't believe the level of details that you see in that picture that you don't like, that you need to change. Maybe it's the way it's displayed. Maybe it's because one side has more, taller items and you need more harmony on your table. But do that. Every time you prepare one of these display things that I showed you, take a picture of it and look at it, from an outsider point of view. You will see it so differently. I don't know what the magic is about photography, but it really helps. So that's one tip for you that helps me a lot. Every little space that I that I finish on my table. I take a picture, I look at it, I make changes, and then I take a picture of the whole table. Sometimes do a video, you know, I show the whole table, and then you look at it. If you looked from as an outsider, what would you pay attention to? Is this product well displayed? Where do you draw your eyes? The color combination, all of that you will be able to see somehow in the picture more clearly than just with your naked eye. So guys, I hope I helped you. I'm thinking if you have ideas for videos, leave it in the comment, because I am here to help you. I really want you to succeed. I know how pleasurable it is when we go to a craft fair and we sell our things. It's just so worth it, isn't it? And many of you I know are retired. Many of you are doing this sometimes for fun, but sometimes, you know, to complement your salary. And I really want you to be successful. So if you have any questions or idea for videos, feel free to leave in the comments, okay? Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.